Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the RISC and CISC architecture in computer organization and architecture. Okay, RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computing and RISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computing. So here in the computer architecture, an important aspect is the design of the instruction set for a processor. Here we are going to see two types of instruction. One is RISC and another one is CISC. RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computing and CISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computing. CISC, that is Complex Instruction Set Computing, means it has more instruction set while you are comparing to the RISC. So now we will see what is the RISC and what is the CISC. A computer with a large number of instruction is classified as Complex Instruction Set Computer, is abbreviated as CISC or Complex Instruction Set Computing. That is, with a large number of instruction. If you hear the word that CISC means it has a large number of instructions. Now what is a RISC? RISC means Reduced Instruction Set Computing. That means it has a less number of instruction, that you call it as a CISC. Okay, how many instructions will be performed in the CISC? That means how many instructions will be in the CISC? That means from 100 to 250 instruction. That is why they call it as a large number of instruction. Now in the CISC will have how many set of instructions? Relatively few instructions and relatively few addressing modes, while you compare to the CISC. See here, CISC has the capacity to perform multi-step operations or addressing mode. Here addressing mode also more in the CISC, while you are comparing with the RISC with one instruction set. It is a CPU design where one instruction works several level acts. For instance, a memory storage, loading from memory, and an arithmetic operation. But in the reduced instruction set, with the help of the microprocessor architecture, that is, it is combined with the microprocessor architecture and it performs efficiently within the less number of instruction sets, that you call it as RISC. Now we will see the hardware part of the Intel named as Complex Instruction Set and Apple hardware, and the Apple hardware is a reduced instruction set. We will see the difference between RISC and CISC. See here, this is the RISC and the CISC. So see here, this is RISC and this is CISC. This is the diagram. Now we will see what is RISC and how the RISC architecture works. A reduced instruction set computer is a computer that only uses simple commands that can be divided into several instructions that achieve low level operation within a single clock cycle, as its name proposes. That is reduced instruction set. Within a single clock cycle, the reduced instruction set computer performs its instruction with the help of a simple command. See here, that is why you call it as a reduced instruction set. Now we will see the reduced instruction set architecture. See here, so PC, program memory, IR, decoder, CW, data path and data memory. So this is the reduced instruction set architecture. This is a small or reduced instruction of set. Here every instruction is expected to attain very small jobs. In this machine, the instruction sets are modest and simple. So instruction sets are very simple here. Already we have seen many instructions in the previous classes. Each instruction is of a similar length. These are wound together to get a compound task done in a single operation. Most commands are completed in one machine cycle. This pipelining is crucial technique used to speed up the RISC machines. So this is the architecture of RISC. Simple instruction, one instruction equal to 1 CW PM longer. So this is the architecture of the simple instruction one instruction, that is RISC. Now we will see what is CISC. The complex instruction set computer is a computing where single instruction can perform numerous low-level operations like load from memory, an arithmetic operation, and a memory store, or a accomplished by multi-step process or the addressing modes. While comparing CISC with RISC, RISC is easier. The architecture of the RISC is very simple, but the CISC architecture is very complex. We will see the CISC architecture. See here, program counter, program memory, MPC, MPM. This is a complex instruction, only one instruction, not for more instruction. This is for complex instruction, one instruction equal to several CW PM standard. But see here, one CW PM, but here several. That is what I have said, RISC and CISC. CISC computers have small programs. It has a huge number of compound instruction which takes long time to perform, but while we are comparing to RISC, here a single set of instruction is protected in several steps. Each instruction set has additional than 300 separate instruction. Maximum instructions are finished in 210 machine cycles. In CISC, instruction pipelining is not easily implemented, but in RISC, pipelining is easily implemented. I will say some of the differences between RISC and CISC architecture. RISC instructions are very simple in RISC, but in the CISC instructions are complex. As a result, that decoding of hardware is very simple in the case of RISC. In the decoding, hardware will be very complemented in the case of CISC. The circuit will be very simple in RISC, but the circuit in the CISC will be complicated. So see here, this is the difference. See here, RISC machine instruction execution, but in the CISC, machine instruction is converted into microcode conversion, and it is converted into micro instruction, then it is micro instruction execution. Just here, machine instruction is executed, but see here, how many levels are there? 3 levels are there, but here only 2 levels. Now we will see the RISC and CISC differences between the RISC and the CISC. See here, focus on software but focus on hardware. Use only hardwired control unit. It uses both hardwired and microprogrammed control unit. CISC. Transistors are used for more register. Transistor are used for storing complex instructions. So it is used for register. It is used for complex instructions. You know what is a transistor? That is it is an electronic device. Transistor is an electronic device. Fixed size instruction, variable sized instruction, can perform only register to register arithmetic operations, can perform from register to register or register to memory or from memory to memory. That is the advantage here in the CISC. It can perform only register to register, but it can perform register to register or from memory register to memory or from memory to memory. Requires more number of registers, require less number of registers. Code size is large, code size is small. An instruction executed in a single clock cycle. Instruction takes more than one clock cycle, so reduced in time. An instruction fit in one word. Instructions are larger than size of one word. Now we will see the characteristics of RISC and CISC. Simple instruction, hence simple instruction coding. Instruction comes under the size of one word. Instruction takes a single clock to get. That is differences is I am given it as a characteristics here. More number of general purpose registers. Simple addressing mode, but here it will be complex addressing mode. Less data types. Pipelining can be achieved, but pipelining can't be achieved in the CISC. See here, complex instruction, hence complex instruction decoding. Instructions are larger than one word size. Instruction may take more than a single clock cycle to get executed, but there in the RISC only one clock cycle is executed. Less number of general purpose register as operation gets performed in memory itself. But here more number of general purpose register. Complex addressing mode, more data types. Here less data types. Addressing mode will be simple, very very simple addressing mode. Suppose we have two 8-bit number CISC approach. There will be a single command or instruction for this add, which will perform a task. RISC approach. Here program will write first load command to load the data in the registers. Then it will be use suitable operator, and then it will store the result in the desired location. So in the RISC it is stored in registers, but in the CISC memory to memory, register to register, or memory to register. So add operation is divided into two parts: load, operate, store, due to which RISC programs are longer and require more memory to get stored, but less transistor due to less complex command. So this is the difference between the RISC and the CISC. In the next class we will discuss about the memory organization in the unit 5. Thank you.